How? The light's too bright. The tiny muscles in your irises, that's the colored part of your eye we know and admire, have relaxed to make the pupil smaller. This doesn't let...
So orbit are the structure in which the eye encloses and has the following diseases and problems associated with it. Lids are the outer layer of the eye conjunctiva. Let's study what the conjunctiva really is. Conjunctiva, C-O-N-J-U-C-T-I-V-A, conjunctiva of eye. Conjunctiva of eye, structure of the conjunctiva of eye. So it is the conjunctiva of the eye in which the eye encloses. Let's dive further. Conjunctiva is a thin, clear membrane lining your eyelids and covering the white part of the eyeball. Sclera act as a protective barrier against dust, germs, and irrigation. It is also protecting muscles to keep the eye moist and lubricated as part of the tear film. It contains blood vessels, immune cells, and its inflammation causes redness, itching, discharge, and etc. Location function include protection, lubrication, and immune defense. Conjunctivitis, inflammation from infection or allergies, making the eye red, itchy, and watery. So, let's study what the conjunctivitis really is. So it is the conjunctiva of the eye. The inflammation of the conjunctiva results in the following and can be treated through medicine in antiviral, anti-infection without moving towards the surgery. So it is the disease of the conjunctiva. Cornea. Next is the cornea. Let's study what the cornea is. C-O-R-N-E-A, cornea of eye. Cornea is the following part of the eye, that is the cornea, the visible portion of the eye in which the eyelids and the black dot and the other eyeball resist is called cornea. Cornea structure and function. Focusing power act as the eye primary lens, bending the rays so that the lens can further focus them into the retina. Protection, a strong barrier against germs and harmful UV light from entering the eyes, and extremely sensitive to touch, triggering reflexes like blinking to protect the eye. Nutritional layers include the following. Sclera. Let's study sclera of the eye and then move toward the video and understand the structure of the eye better. S-C-L-E-R is sclera. Sclera of eye. So it is a sclera of the eye. Let's study the definition of the sclera of the eye. Is a tough white outer protective layer of the eye, often called the white of the eye, providing a structure, shape, and a point of attachment for eye muscles and protecting the delicate inner structure and functions. Structure and functions are the following. Muscles are the following. Let's next dive deeper into the structure of the eye.
Too much light in and protect your eyes from excessive brightness. Turn the lights down a little and the iris muscles contract. The pupil gets bigger as the eye demands more light to be let through. There we go. We pass through and come upon the aspirin-sized lens. Like your ears and nose, your lens continues to grow throughout your whole life. And just like in a camera, it focuses the light even more. That way, it hits exactly where it needs to be on the retina. That's the back of the eye. I can see our human here is nearsighted. Things far away are blurry. Look at where the lens is focusing the light into a single point. It's not on the retina, but a little before it. This happens when your eye is slightly too long. If you're farsighted, things up close are blurry. That focal point goes behind the eye because your eyeball's too short. Don't worry, it's nothing a pair of glasses can't fix. Ooh, it's roomy in here than I thought. Hello? Well, it's because you only see about 1/6 of your eye when you look in the mirror. The rest of it is inside your head. Your eyes themselves are about the size of ping pong balls. And just within this seemingly small little organ, there are over 2 million working parts. Whoa, hold on. Everything's shifting to the right. Whoa, now to the left. Our human must be looking for something. Your eyes move thanks to 6 muscles holding them in the socket. Certain ones contract, and your glance changes direction. Up, down, left, right, all around. Okay, things have calmed down, so let's continue following the light projection. Say you're looking at a big bright apple sitting on a blue table. A yellow light bulb hangs above. If you could see the image in here, it'd be upside down on the back screen of your eye. It's because the lens bent the beam. But you can't see this picture on the retina because eyes aren't projectors. It's just light hitting some tissue on the back wall of your eyeball. There are nerves and special receptors back there. They turn the light coming into your eye into nerve impulses the brain then decodes and makes sense of. So, we journey further. Here are those receptors. They can be cones or rods. Cones are the reason your incredible eye can detect up to 7 million colors. Surprisingly though, your cones come in only 3 types: red, green, and blue. It's the combination of their work that allows you to see magenta, chartreuse, or cyan. Except for colorblind people. They might be missing one of those types, or they don't work as they should. So these people don't see certain colors at all, or things aren't true to their color. For example, if there's something wrong with your green-sensitive cones, green and yellow look reddish-brown. There are also your rods. They pick up black, white, and over 500 shades of gray in between. Way more than 50 shades of gray. You also have more of them than cones, and the rods.
Let's study how humans see.